Well, that's it for this day. Terranea absolutely blew our minds and just was so much fun. So breathtakingly beautiful, amazing food, really friendly people, this incredible view. I see a lot of 5-star resorts in our future now that we know what this is like. I think it's going to be super, super cool. Anything else to add?
I don't know, I'm just excited about what's ahead.
Oh yeah, that's right. And technically a little bit of your birthday celebration too. Yeah. Alright. Take care, Terranea. Thanks so much for everything. Alright, check it out. At SR71. We're doing everything this trip. We're going to the California
Science Center.
Yeah, that's cool. Alright. Look at the pattern on this iron meteorite. Crazy, like, etching. It's beautiful. Stony iron meteorite. Huh. And it's gone. Oh, there it is. It almost looks like a cat.
Where is he? Is he in here? He's digging.
Yeah, I think he's in here. Yeah. Eats pretty aggressively.
Yeah. Why does it look crooked? I don't know.
Hollywood. Tiny Hollywood. Yeah.
It looks so much tinier on the camera.
It looks so much tinier on camera.
It's like pretty big from where.
Yeah, this is your first time here, right? Alright, we'll go up to the roof and we'll check out this old telescope. Or big telescope. Yeah. Wow, it's big. Okay, and then we go.
Wait, look at that huge mountain.
Where?
Here.
Oh, sheesh, that's huge, yeah. Probably one of the Angeles National Forest.
For some people, they tell me it feels really weird if they're looking at the telescope and the background is changing. In history's record, I've gone back and I found Albert Einstein was the first person to feel something weird when we do what I'm about to do. In 1931.
Oh, it's going. Yeah, look at that. Whoa. Yeah, I feel a little dizzy.
Yeah.
This is the clutch system for the up and down. So I can just grab it with one hand
Oh my
out
gosh.
and adjust it back and forth to whatever I wanted to do. I just aimed it at something random right now. I don't know what I'm aiming it at. When we want to find something, we rely on the clock in the middle, our sidereal clock. That sidereal clock is the astronomer's guide to where to aim telescopes.
Yeah. So cool.
Super cool. We just saw a telescope move. It was
That was
really
the
cool.
coolest.